Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new ERIN CONDREN 2022 Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. Alright, so I am a big fan of ERIN CONDREN. Obviously, you guys have probably seen a lot of unboxing type videos and planner videos from me on ERIN CONDREN. You see a ERIN CONDREN planner in every single one of my packing videos. So I'm a really big fan of their seasonal surprise boxes. I love all the different things that come inside of them. I just think that they're a really fun thing to get 4 times a year. And my favorites are always the spring and the summer boxes. I don't know, I think those are just like my favorite kind of seasons in general. So it's always really fun to kind of see what's inside those boxes. This color and print and the floral pattern of this box is so pretty. I absolutely love it. When it was at my door, I'm like, oh, they picked a really, really pretty pattern for the outside of this box. I've kept some of my seasonal boxes of the past, and some I've actually used as gifts at Christmas time. I wrapped a couple of things in some of them, but this one here is going to be really pretty on my bookshelf for sure. I think this may be my first surprise box unboxing here on my YouTube channel. I know I've shared definitely boxes of the past over on Instagram. I've done like reels and story content and stuff like this, but I think this is the first time I've actually unboxed one here on YouTube, so I'm pretty stoked. Okay, so like I said, for those of you that might not be familiar with this box, it is a surprise box that comes out every season. So 4 different times a year, you have the option to purchase this box. It usually has like an ordering window of like a week or 2, give or take. And then boxes are usually shipped out shortly thereafter. So anytime you see one pop up, I would definitely recommend grabbing them because I'm a big fan. I really like them. All right, so opening up this box, it has the little, I kind of untaped it here, but you have the ERIN CONDREN sticker here in the middle, and then the saying on this box says, "May the beauty of your day take your breath away." I love that. That is just so pretty. And you can also like fold this box the outside or inside out. Inside out, yeah, you get to know what I mean. So that the whole outside is actually purple, and then this here would be the top of the box. So that's kind of cool. I might do that because I kind of like that saying a lot. All right, so unboxing the box here, I'm gonna set it to the side just so I have a little bit more room. The first thing here on top, actually they usually put a card in here. There is, "May the beauty of your day take your breath away." The same there. This would be really pretty framed actually, like a 5x7 frame. I may do that. But inside this little pamphlet, you have a list of everything that is inside of your box. So I'm gonna refer back to that here a little bit as I go through things. But this item here is the portable reusable straw kit. Again, in that same like flora pattern here, you have a little pouch, and then it looks like a rose gold type straw, which is very pretty. Has the ERIN CONDREN logo, and then a little brush to kind of clean the inside of it out. You can kind of see it very faintly there. It's just the little white kind of ERIN CONDREN logo there on the straw. And then a little bag here just has a drawstring at the very top of it. I probably will not use this to carry the straw, if I'm being honest. I will likely use it to carry pens because I think it's super cute. All right, the next thing up here is the Pastel Productivity Page Markers. There's 3 different ones in here, purple, teal, and looks like a very light, almost like a peach color, if you will. And they're matte colored page markers, like paper clips. So as you can see there, one just has the ERIN CONDREN logo, one has today, and one has a to do. Up next is a Notepad Set, 25 sheets per pad. 2 different color, one looks like it's lined and then one is unlined. Pretty pastel, and the back is the floral kind of pattern there as well. These are super convenient for sure. You also have another sticky notepad. This is in a circle sheet. Oh, it's like kind of 2 in 1. So you have a half circle and then you have a full circle, just little kind of sticky notes there. And then a page of stickers. These have important, weekend. They're just an awesome kind of set of different planner stickers. They usually always have, I find, a pack of stickers in their seasonal surprise boxes. usually also a pen of some sort. It seems to be pretty common. And one thing that I don't see in this box that they always tend to put in their boxes is a planner cover. Like I think over the summer there was you might have actually had an actual notebook, but in the fall time they had a really pretty foiled planner cover that I loved, but there's no planner or notebook cover in this box, which I'm kind of bummed about because I really like them because they're different. But this here is the ballpoint pen and valet tray. I like this a lot. So the pen is actually in like a corked material, but it's etched in that flora. I'll kind of show you here zoomed in. As you can see, it's like gold, but you also have that pattern etched in there. It's really, really pretty for a ballpoint pen. And then the valet tray is like a baby kind of pink with the cork on the outside, which is really pretty. You can obviously unsnap the sides if you really wanted to, but it's just a cute little tray to kind of set on your desk to put paper clips or pens or what have you. Last but not least, this is new. This is a lunch tote, the Flora lunch tote, and it looks really interesting. So you have two grab handles here at the top, and then it Velcros open, and then the inside of the lunch tote actually looks, this is cool. This is really cool. It actually looks like this, so it packs really, really big. Like you can fit a ton down in there, but what is cool about this one is, as you can see, there's like some extra material in there, but you can unvelcro the sides and it opens up completely flat, or what seems to, yes, opens up completely flat into like a big matte surface. So you kind of have your lunch packed in the center and you can fold your sides down. This is so awesome for going to the park with kids. Like a big gross picnic table or like in the grass or something. Like look how big that is. It opens up huge. I love it. And then it just kind of folds all back together like a little lunch tote. This is really, really cool. I wonder if it's gonna come in other colors. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. You never know with these boxes, but this is my favorite part of the box. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I hope that gave you a good look as to the things that are inside this season's surprise box from ERIN CONDREN. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to chat, and I will have my ERIN CONDREN affiliate link, of course, down below, so you can shop all things ERIN CONDREN with me. I really, as always, appreciate your support in using any of my links. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.